Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Skrill. Start by logging into your Skrill account using your email and password. On your dashboard, click the Withdraw tab to see all the available options. Select your preferred withdrawal method. Skrill offers options like withdrawing to a bank account, mobile wallet, or a linked card. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure the amount is within your skill balance. Double check your transaction details, including fees and processing times. Once everything looks good, click Continue to proceed. Skill will process your withdrawal depending on the method. The funds can take a few hours to a few business days to reach you. And that's it. Withdrawing money is so simple and secure. Thanks for watching.